Did you know that some animals almost never get cancer? It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. Elephants, whales and naked mole rats are among a few species that show amazing resistance to cancer. But elephants have something we don't. Extra copies of a special gene called P53. This gene is like a guard. It finds damaged cells and destroys them before they become cancer. Humans have just one copy of this gene. Elephants have 20. That's nature's way of protecting them. Researchers are studying these animals to find clues that might help humans fight cancer too. Subscribe to our channel and be part of our growing family. Your support helps us bring more secrets to light. Nature might already hold the answers we're looking for. Isn't that incredible? But how do they do it? Let's start with elephants. They have a unique ability to resist cancer, which has made them the subject of much research. One of the key factors in their cancer resistance is the amount of hyaluronic acid in their bodies. Who would have thought that a blue whale would hold the secret to beating cancer? Well, maybe not so surprising when you consider that they've been around for over 2 million years. They've had plenty of time to figure some stuff out. Who knows what other secrets they might be hiding? Hyaluronic acid is a large molecule that acts as a lubricant and shock absorber in the body. Naked mole rats have much higher levels of hyaluronic acid than other mammals, which creates a physical barrier between cells. This barrier prevents the spread of cancer cells and helps to keep tumors from forming. Additionally, the high levels of hyaluronic acid also stimulate the production of anti-cancer proteins. For example, naked mole rats produce high levels of a protein called P21, which inhibits the growth of cancer cells. Finally, the social structure of naked mole rat colonies may also play a role in their cancer resistance. In their natural habitat, they live in groups with a single breeding female and multiple non-breeding females. The non-breeding females are exposed to high levels of a hormone called oxytocin, which has been shown to have anti-cancer effects in humans. Elephants have around 20 times more cells than humans. That means more chances for mutations and cancer, right? And as if being the biggest animal on the planet wasn't enough, blue whales have another impressive feat to their name. They have a remarkably low incidence of cancer. Scientists have several theories to explain why these gentle giants seem to be resistant to cancer. One theory is that their sheer size makes them less susceptible to cancer. Because blue whales are so big, they have a lot of cells, but these cells divide very slowly. This means that there are fewer opportunities for mutations to occur. Mutations are changes in the DNA sequence that can lead to cancer. Another theory is that blue whales have powerful DNA repair mechanisms. This means that they are able to fix any errors that occur in their DNA quickly and efficiently. This is important because even small errors can lead to cancer if they are not fixed. Finally, blue whales may also have other protective mechanisms against cancer that we have yet to discover. As more research is done on these magnificent creatures, we may learn more about how they are able to resist cancer. This knowledge could potentially help us find new ways to prevent and treat cancer in humans. Now let's look at naked mole rats. These strange little creatures live underground and can live over 30 years. They almost never get cancer. Their bodies produce a special sugar called hyaluronan. Yet cancer is rare in them too. Scientists believe they have powerful DNA repair systems and slow cell growth. This gives their bodies more time to fix mistakes. It keeps their cells apart so they don't form tumors. When scientists removed this sugar, they started getting cancer. So it plays a key role. Then we have whales. Blue whales have more than 100 billion cells. It's not magic. It's evolution. Over millions of years, these animals developed ways to survive, and avoiding cancer is part of their survival. Elephants have a special superpower when it comes to fighting cancer, and it all starts with their genes. You know how we have 2 copies of our genes, one from mom and one from dad? Well, elephants got extra copies of a gene called TP53. We're talking up to 40 copies. This gene is like a vigilant bodyguard, constantly scanning for any damage in the cell. And when it finds trouble, it immediately steps in to save the day. It identifies the problematic cells and gets rid of them before they can cause any harm. What's really cool is that elephants have 20 copies of this gene, which is way more than the usual 1 or 2 that most animals have. Having this many copies means that there's a much lower chance of cancer sneaking past this strong protection. It's like having a whole team of bodyguards instead of just one. No wonder elephants have such great protection against cancer. If you love discovering the hidden powers of nature, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone curious. One click from you means the world to us. Thank you for watching. Now let's go deeper into the amazing ways these animals avoid cancer. Naked mole rats are small, hairless mammals that live in underground colonies in Africa. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth. They are also the largest whales. Cancer is a leading cause of death in humans, so any insights that we can gain from nature are invaluable. Thanks for watching.